How to craft better tools in LEGO Fortnite. So first, you just have to log into your LEGO account. Of course, that's the very first thing. And then the crafting bench is among the first workstations you will construct in LEGO Fortnite. So in order for you to unlock this one, you must first collect woods and granite. You will create tools and weapons on the crafting bench. So to open that, you just have to press E. These are essential for resource collection and combating monsters in the world. As you explore this field, you will encounter different types of monsters. As you expand your towns and gather more resources, you'll need to upgrade your crafting bench in order to create the better tools necessary to harvest more precious materials. So you must approach the crafting bench and select the crafting menu in order to enhance it. You must tab to the upgrade screen from the crafting menu, then you can build greater rarity tools with each upgrade. Okay, so as you can see, it's better to have this bench upgrade right here, and you will craft more items. I mean, it's more effective and more powerful. So we have here crafting bench first upgrade for 8 wooden planks. We have 3 roller shells for the second improvement to crafting bench. 12 rods of nut root, 15 slabs of marble, 6 sand cloths, and then 3 shells for sand rollers. For the third enhancement to crafting bench, we have 15 copper bars, 25 slabs of obsidian, and 1 brute scale. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.